Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and today we are getting into a Coach unboxing. I picked up a bag and a wallet during their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I figured we'd start with the smaller item first. Which is the wallet. I've been in a need for a wallet for quite some time. I've been using my Tory Burch card holder for the last few years and it's starting to get a little bit too big for like my smaller bag, so I went ahead and got a new card holder. I prefer card holders over like huge wallets because I never carry cash, and if I do it's like a bill or two maybe, so I can kind of just easily slide it into one of the slots. But I decided to get this wallet, one because I love their classic Monogram Jacquard print, and that's how you say it, but also because it was only $20 and I think it was less than that with the sale. They were like, add to your cart for $20, something like that. But this is the card holder that I got. So let's go ahead and open her up. I thought they sent me the wrong thing for a second. I was gonna say, this isn't what I ordered. So of course it comes with like the tags and the care information. And this is their Slim ID Jacquard. So in the front it's like for your ID card, and then in the back it's for your regular cards, and it's like in this cute brown color. And then in the center is like a space that you can put like cash in or additional cards. So I thought this was really cute, easy pickup, because I'm trying to save space in my wallet, not in my wallet, save space in my purse. So I feel like something simple where I can't overstuff it would be really nice for like my smaller bags. So that's why I went ahead and picked her up. But now to the star of the show, and the main reason that I went on the website. I have not opened her yet. I just took her out of the box, but let's see. So this is the Coach Andrea Jacquard. I hope I'm saying it right. Jacquard. I hope I'm saying it right. If not, I know someone will let me know in the comment section. But the Andrea shoulder bag. And I was so torn on what color to get. Like, I was going back and forth. I had a couple of my friends vote. Everyone voted differently, and I'm just like... So I either wanted to get this color, or I wanted to get their standard color that matched this card holder. And we'll see based on how this color looks if I go back and get the other one or if I exchange it. But let's see. How do I... Let's see. This is a lot more wrapping than I expected. But there she is. She looks stunning. And I got this one. The deciding factor for me for this one over like the original like brown is because the brown had like silver accents and I really love the gold accents. So, and it comes with, oh, I thought that was a strap that fell. So it's only the one strap. However, I do have another Coach strap that I could use to change it up a little. So this is what she's looking like. Oh, I thought this side was already attached. It's not. Oh, look at her. She's stunning. I don't know, I'm like really happy. She's so cute. So this is her. Let's open her up and see. So on the front is like the standard Coach print, like the gold emblem, and then the gold accents on the straps. And then there's the back pocket, which I love that you can like use the back pocket. It's functional. It's not just a slit here. And then let's just go ahead and open her up. Let's open her up. So this is a magnetic clip, a magnetic closure. Love that. Lots of stuffing. We love that. We love that as well because that's how we like preserve our bags. But I'm having a hard time with it flying everywhere. I always tell people this all the time. Keep your stuffings for your bags. Unfortunately, I do not have a dust bag. This did not come with a dust bag. Yeah. I don't see one in any of the packaging. It's fine. I probably have something else that I can use or wrap it up in. But this is what she looks like on the inside. This is like a suede material. And then, let's see. Like right here is another functional pocket. Love that. And then inside there is a suede slip pocket on the inside as well. I don't know if I can, let me see if I can show you this way. But like it's very small. It's a very compact bag, which is why I feel as though this card holder would take up so much more space in my bag compared to like this little mini card holder, where if I just like, you know, slid it in this front pocket that's in the front, and like I can still close my bag, you know? And of course I have to show you what it looks like on my shoulder for reference. And this is what she looks like on my shoulder. She's so cute. She's so cute. I also have this chain that I bought, I think like over the summer. I bought it for a different bag because I wanted to turn one of my long crossbody bags by a different designer into a shoulder bag, and this did not work out. The drop wasn't long enough. So this is it, the strap. It's a 23-inch strap. So let's see what we're working with here. We might have a winner. Oh, yes, it does work. Yeah, that's cute. It does work, but I want to make sure that the hardware kind of matches. So let me know in the comments if you like it with the gold chain on her or with the regular chain that it comes, not chain, but the regular strap it comes with. And I love that the strap has like a little shoulder pad on it too. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm happy with my purchase. I'm happy that I love her. And I'm excited to wear her this fall, winter season. Even as like a nice night bag. We can do like, see what fits. So I have my wallet in here. I don't think a lot of things will fit in here. I probably can get like a little miniature pouch to fit in here with like some lip gloss, sanitizer. I do have an iPhone 16, so like it does take up a fair amount of space inside as well. But honestly, I have plenty of bags where they're pretty big and they're pretty spacious, so I'm not too concerned about like trying to overstuff this bag. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I'm happy that I like got this blue bag and stuck to the blue bag instead of getting the original brown print. However, I do think the brown print would be super cute too, but I don't need two of the same bags, right? Like, I don't know. Do I need two of the same bags? I don't know. What do you think? But some information about like the dimensions of the bag. So the drop for the handle is 9.75, and then the dimensions of the actual bag is a 9.75 by 5.25 by 2.5. So if you just need that information to kind of like help gauge your purchase, I know I find it helpful because when you have the dimensions, you can kind of figure out what you can fit in your bag and like how it'll fall on you as well. But like I said, I'm 5'7" for reference, so I think it falls pretty good because I hate when I buy a shoulder bag and it's like right here in my armpit. Like I do not like when bags have like such a short drop on them. Like they just make me feel so uncomfortable, and I feel like I'm just kind of like this. But I also like that I don't feel as though this bag, the strap is like very loose on it where it's like falling off, because I hate when I have like a short bag and I have to keep like pulling it up on my shoulder. So, but overall, I'm super happy with the purchase, and hopefully if you're interested in this bag, this color, or this bag in general, you're able to snag it. I will be sure to link the bag down below in the description box. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.